in the world? Okay.
Merry Christmas, baby. Should you treat me nice?
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by ISEE Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now today's install is like this, okay? It's real quick. Why? Because it's a simple bust down middle part, okay, with texture. So if you expecting more, don't. Okay, this is it. Closure, and she glueless. Look, look. So if you want to see how I got this wig from A to Slay real quick, make sure you stay tuned for that. It is also still Wigmas, so make sure you check out the pinned comment down below for the giveaway. Now before I get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from ISEE Hair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is a pre-cut closure wig that comes in a kinky straight. Okay, so the purpose of this video is how fast we can get this wig going and get out the door. I got things to do today, aka go see my man. Okay, so I want to get cute real quick. Before I even do anything, I need to give this unit a hoe bath because, ooh, ISEE. It's a very strong, smoky chemical smell, and I'm kind of scared to put that on my head. Wash this wig before you do anything. Don't even worry about the hoe bath. Okay, I'm just doing this for video purposes. I'm taking one for the team. Please, please wash your wig. Dry shampoo and water. Get all up in them crevices. Pat that in. I think this is a 6x4, so 6 inches from temple to temple, and you get 4 inches apart in space to the back. So nothing crazy. I'm gonna use my Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder to tint my lace around the hairline. Might as well just put it all over the lace because it ain't that much. Then put on a wig cap because I do not want that funkified wig on my head. No, thank you. And we're gonna put it on like this. It does come with the elastic band. So all you gotta do is put it on your head like so. Wait a minute, it's a little bunchy. Hold up. That's kind of perfect. Get my ears right. What the heck? What in the world? Okay. I mean, she stank, but she look good. Let me get my, hold up. Let me get my handy dandy blow dryer brush. I'm gonna slick this hair out a bit with the blow dryer using high heat. Okie dokie. Hold up, I wanna get my sides together because as you can see on the side, it does have that track. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of my powder on a brush. See if I can hide that a bit right up in here, just so it's not so noticeable, you know? There we go, kind of soften it. Looks a bit better. I know. This texture is very lightweight, so I wanna use low heat on the hot comb. Not too many passes in one place. My Time-O gonna do the thing. Did I burn one out? Did I burn one out? I think I might have pulled that out because that was a whole like piece. And get that all back like this. Again, I'm not pressing it out for the sleek look, but I do want it to be a little less poofy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my 5-minute face and then we'll come back and finish up the look. That was easy. Okay, so the install is looking pretty good. There is a slight line of demarcation when I look in my mirror. You probably can't see it under my lights. I'm gonna bring down a little bit of hairs just to break it up a little bit. I'm just gonna pull my ends off like that. Just wanted to kind of wispy it a little bit around my sides. Not much though, not much. I also want to take a little bit of hair out of this parting space. A little bit more right here. Take my same pressed powder, put it in the parting space. I'm also going to take a flatter brush and just kind of go back and forth like this. I don't want the part to be so perfect. I'm going to use some of my light silk spray and put on the hair, add some more perfume to this joint, and add some shine. I got it on my glasses. Hold on, let me fix my ear. This thing is really on the back of my ear. So there we go. Bring up that elastic band, put on my lip gloss, and I think I'm ready for lunch. Okay, y'all, so if you are looking for a simple throw on and go and a texture, here you go. Okay, just understand though, you gotta wash this one. Y'all see the videos of people in the cars and put the wig on out the box? No, I have learned that if you wash your wig and it still smells, put her outside. Okay, air her out for a good couple hours, especially in this breeze. Okay, she'll be fine. But other than that, I have no complaints about this wig. I got very little shedding, no tangling. This is definitely beginner friendly. Okay, y'all saw how this lace melted on me. Look at that. All right, no glue whatsoever. If I had an easy button, I would press it. Some of y'all may be like, oh, this is basic. I know. It's a 6x4 closure. Bust down middle part, keep up. I got the 18-inch and I'm pretty sure this is the shortest length they have. So, you know, if you don't want this length, go ahead and chop her up. But they definitely seem like they given 18-inch from root to tip for each strand. Look, 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 which is why my 18-inch looks more like a 24-inch bust down. Hello. Now, I didn't measure it, so I don't know for sure, but it's giving each strand is 18 inches, okay? I don't consider this hair to be like super high quality, but I do feel like if you practice low maintenance, it'll last you a minute, okay? You don't gotta do a lot with this wig. If you wanna add some wand curls in it, use your heat protectant and you'll be just fine. I probably won't do that to mine. It's just time that I don't feel like spending on a wig, so, you know. But anyway, let me go ahead and get up out of here because I am hungry. Shout out one more time to ISEE Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.